Okay guys, today we're gonna know a lot of facts about Tenet. Christopher Nolan, who is the director of Tenet, has again come up with this complicated and confusing time-traveling movie which obviously competes with Interstellar and Inception. What is Tenet? Tenet is a CIA secret service organization, and coming to the main characters of movie, the protagonist, our hero, is working in the secret service organization, and his friend Neil, his co-worker, Priya, who is the wife of drug dealer based in Mumbai, and Andrei Setri, the villain of the movie. He's one of the biggest businessman based in Russia, and his wife Kat. Coming to the logic and mystery behind the movie, let's get into entropy and inversion and a lot of other topics that will give us a clear idea about what happened behind the scenes or during the movie. Coming to entropy, generally entropy is used to calculate the amount of disaster that happened in nature, and even scientists use this entropy in predicting the energy distribution in science. So here Christopher Nolan brilliantly combined this scientific topic along with fiction and brought us this Tenet movie, shown us that time travel is possible through Tenet movie. So coming to inversion, which means running time in reverse. So according to the movie, scientists in future invents a new technology called inversion, where objects or maybe humans, they reverse the time, they experience time in reverse. The equipment used for all this process is called turnstile. So turnstile is a metal rotating a room, and it has one entrance and one exit. Entrance is resembled with red color and the exit is resembled with blue color. So entrance shows the forward movement, and blue, which is the exit, shows us the reverse movement. Guys, if you understand how turnstile is working, you almost got how Tenet movie has been framed. So coming to 5 ways on how this turnstile and inversion works, it's all about perspective. The person who is inverted experiences the world in an inversion way. Like once you come out of turnstile, the world seems it's working in reverse, and the world looks at you in a reverse way. External world perceives the inverted person to be in reverse. So it's all about other way. Coming to the next thing, oxygen mask. Inverted lungs won't accept oxygen from atmosphere. It doesn't mean that they use oxygen masks all the time. When they have this protective layer around them, there is no need for them to wear oxygen masks. And not only this, all the physics is working opposite, guys. So heat to cold, even the air they experience is in opposite direction. Inverted people experience everything in invert way. They have all these oxygen masks, suits and lot of other stuff when they get inverted and get out from the turnstile. This is the reason why they wear special suits and stuff. And there is one more rule: the inverted person can't meet their older self. This is also one of the important things that you can see during this Tenet movie. What's happened is happened. This is one of the known dialogues in Tenet movie, which means you can't change what is already done. In Tenet movie, there is no free will for the characters who are already inverted. They have to accept it. One of the examples from the movie is here our protagonist will be fighting with himself in future, and he already knows that he already did this in past, and the reason behind this, only once you complete the task in future it will affect the past. Guys, it's a little confusing, complicated topic, but remember one thing: what's happened is happened and you can't change it. It is a complete closed time traveling loop. This is the reason why Tenet is a palindrome, where you read Tenet from front from back, it sounds same. And this is one of the most important plot point of the movie as well. Everything is resembled in the name. That's great. Same characters running in different timelines. This is the most confusing part of the story. So when you look at the ending of the story, there is a fighting scene in Tolling about robbery, where you will see dual heroes and dual villain fighting. The whole purpose, like the whole idea of the thing is, when one person get inverted, he will meet his past self and also future self at different timelines. The whole point is, once you get inverted, you should reverse the inversion by reaching turnstile again. So by the end of the story, all the characters will reach the turnstile. What is the whole purpose of the movie? According to the movie, scientists in future are coming up with a new technology of time traveling called algorithm. After realizing that algorithm can destroy the world, scientists are concealing this algorithm in 9 parts at 9 major places near to nuclear plants. And out of blue, villain knows about this algorithm. He gets the algorithm and he wants to destroy the world along with him. And now hero have to get the algorithm without harming the world. So coming to the next topic, temporal pincer. This pincer movement is also used in real life military operations that are going on at the borders. So what is it? It is all about dividing into 2 teams and attacking the enemy in forward and reverse direction of time. The main advantage of this movement is you will get to know how your enemy is working or how your enemy is getting his strategies. The team working in the reverse direction gets this message, and this message will be conveyed to the team working in the forward direction. So guys, this is also one of the main things that is portrayed in Tenet movie. Tenet, being the one of the international spy thriller movie, has obviously set the bar for the upcoming movies. Humans have nothing to do with what has already happened. Humans can only be the reason for for what has already happened. Share with us how you felt about this video. Like if you have any suggestions on what we can improve or any other information we missed, let us know in the comment box below. And if you feel like we can come up with more content and more topics, please let us know. And please subscribe and share the video with your friends. Let them also know about this thing and press the bell icon there.